Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Speaking Books. Let's all admit here that at least once we have procrastinated our work. Whether it be a presentation, a meeting, paying bills, answering the same messages back, getting a haircut, believing that Earth is not flat, proving the God particle exists, going to a doctor for a checkup, reading a new book, letting go of a mistake that you made a long time ago, finding someone perfect, beautiful, and sweet, or asking a girl out on a date. You should definitely not procrastinate that. The thing is, we all ponder after the moment. Sometimes we even regret our deeds, which we just procrastinated. So, before going along in this video, we request you all to not follow literally everything, cause few things might get weird down along this video. Just for a head start, today we will be discussing about a book by Brian Tracy entitled Eat That Frog. The question is, who all can take interest in this book? Anyone interested in becoming more productive, anyone struggling with procrastination, anyone who needs some motivation and a kick in the pants, and of course, anyone who wants to know how to eat a frog every morning. Mark Twain once said that if the first thing you do each morning is to eat a live frog, you can go through the day with the satisfaction of knowing that that is probably the worst thing that is going to happen to you all day long. Your frog is your biggest, most important task, the one you are most likely to procrastinate. The first rule of frog eating is if you have to eat two frogs, eat the ugliest one first. This is another way of saying that if you have two important tasks before you, start with the biggest, hardest, and the most important task first. Now, the second rule of frog eating is if you have to eat a live frog at all, it doesn't pay you to sit and look at it for a very long time. The key of reaching high levels of performance and productivity is for you to develop the lifelong habit of tackling your major task first each morning. You must develop the routine of eating your frog before you do anything else and without taking too much of time to think about it. The four keys to productivity and achievement are: select your most important task. Begin immediately. Work on it single handedly and finish it. Tracy references the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle or the law of the vital few. It states that for many events, roughly 80% of the effects come from the 20% of the causes. Some examples of the Pareto principle in action are that 20% of motorists account for 80% of accidents, 20% of streets account for 80% of the traffic, 20% of product flaws account for 80% of problems, 20% of clients account for 80% of profit, 20% of clothes in your closet are worn 80% of the time, 20% of beer drinkers drink 80% of the beer. What does that mean for your life? It means that 80% of your result come from 20% of your actions. When put differently, it means that 20% of what you do leads to 80% of the results. On the flip side, it also means that 80% of what you do leads to only 20% of the results. In other words, you are wasting 80% of your time on low value activities. The solution is very simple: prioritize. Another trick is to practice creative procrastination. The difference between high performers and low performers is largely determined by what they choose to procrastinate on. To set proper priorities, you must set posterities as well. A priority is something that you do more of and sooner, while a posterity is something that you do less of and later, if at all. You can get your time and your life under control only to the degree to which you discontinue your low value activities. So, to conclude, let's summarize how we can eliminate our habit of procrastination. Start with setting the tables. Plan everything in advance. Apply 80-20 rule. Consider its consequences. Practice creative procrastination. Focus on key results area. Prepare thoroughly before you begin. Take it one oil barrel at a time. Upgrade your key skills. Leverage your key constraints. Put pressure on yourselves. Maximize your personal power. Get out of the technological time sinks. Develop a sense of urgency. Keep eating that frog. And I know we have ruined your morning moods by asking you to eat a live frog, but please keep watching our channel Speaking Books. Thank you.